So after coming out of my closet, I have abandoned this place for a while. So it's time to get back inside my closet and clean up a little bit because it's a shit show in here. I know it doesn't look that bad from this angle, but the minute I switch the camera to the other side, you will see. It took me not that long to find this apartment. I moved to this apartment for almost 3 years now, and let's be real, this apartment is not fancy. It's nice enough for me to stay here. And the reason why I decided to lease this apartment is because my bedroom has 2 closets. Even though the closet is not that big, but it's very, like, it has enough space for me to keep all my clothes in here. And then there's another closet on the opposite side of this closet, so I can keep all my clothes, because the amount of clothes I have is increasing every day. So I have another rack on the other side of my bedroom. I used to film my videos in front of that clothing rack. I'm pretty sure you have seen that in multiple videos if you subscribe to me since the beginning of my channel. And on the opposite side of my rack is a bookcase. So, but I use that bookcase to keep my clothes. So it's a mess. We're heading to the end of the year now, so it's time to clean up. Doesn't matter if I'm going to buy more clothes or not. I just think that today is the day for me to take you guys inside my closets, and I will show you guys what I have in my closets as I clean everything up, and we'll see what we're gonna throw away today because I have a lot of things to get rid of. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. Other than that, let's get started. So I definitely want to keep it real with you guys. I don't want to be like, oh my god, you guys, this is my closet. It's so perfect. I keep it clean and neat like this all the time. Fuck no. I can be very clean and neat, and I can be very messy at times. So I keep all my shoes up here. These are my seasonal shoes, which means once in a while I would take these out to wear with like a certain outfit. But other than that, I have like a shoe rack by my doorstep where I keep all of my shoes that I wear on a daily basis. For an example, these I wear in the summer a lot. These are some sandals from Doc Martens. These ones are Doc Martens. The reason why I put these in here instead of wearing these every day is because they're kind of heavy for me to wear to work every day. I don't know if that makes sense. Whenever I feel like I want to wear some Docs, then I would definitely put these on. These I bought also 6 years ago. I might have more shoes in these boxes as well. So it's gonna be a lot of work. Anyway, so now that I got rid of 6 pair of shoes, I'm going to box some of these so I can make some more space for my other shoes. Okay, now that I'm done with shoes, I am going to work on this section right here. This little section right here, I keep my winter pants. So for an example, this pair of pants, the fabric is super heavy, and I usually wear these in the winter. The outer closet is for me to go to every time I have somewhere to go outside of work. But this one is more like work attire. My blazers and jackets, more blazers, button-up shirts. If I need to grab something quick to go to work, I go to this closet. But if I or to go somewhere special, somewhere outside of work, then I go to the other closet. These one I'm going to donate. I don't wear these pants anymore, so I'm going to donate these. I don't see a purpose of wearing these anymore, so I'm going to donate them. This is a Daisy sweater. It's a knit sweater, and guess what? My mom fucking knit this for me. Isn't it adorable? It's so cute. So this is Fenty by Rihanna. I was very lucky and fortunate enough to snatch this piece. This is from her very first collection. I love this top so much. Maybe in one of my videos in the future I can wear this so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Guess what? I'm done with fixing this closet. It looks so much better. I got rid of a lot of stuff and I'm so happy. Now, let's move on to the next closet. How exciting! I went to take a shower, but we're back here. This is my second closet. It's a little bit more exciting. Let me tell you that. So this closet, the top shelf, as you can see here, is filled up with all of my designer shoes. Behind me is a rack of my custom-made clothes. This closet is my favorite closet, and it has a lot of amazing pieces in here. This closet is not that messy. I just need to reorganize this just a little bit. I love wearing matching sets, so I made a whole video dedicated to me showing some of my custom-made sets, but on top of that I have like a lot of set with unique designs. Like this one, you can unzip the sleeve. This one is a tweed matching set, obviously was inspired by Chanel. I have the belt in here, the Gucci shades in here, my Prada belt, my Chanel cologne. Okay, you guys, I think I'm done with my closet. Everything looks so much better now. This closet was much easier for me to clean because I always try to keep this one more organized than the other one. And besides, I go to work like 5 days a week, so of course I use the other closet more than this closet. I have a messy room. My closets are messy, just like some of you out there, and I just wanted to put out something that is super relatable to all of us. I don't want to pretend that everything is perfect. With that being said, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.